in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on and enable the on-screen keyboard on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select accessibility on the left panel, and then on the right side, scrolling down underneath interaction, select keyboard. And then underneath the on-screen keyboard access keys and print screen, there should be an on-screen keyboard option here. You can tap the Windows key, Control and O key to turn the keyboard on or off, or you can just toggle to the on position here to have it display right now. And that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.